Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrange multiple objects around a single central object in Adobe Illustrator, evenly, cleanly, and in perfect circular order. It's actually a lot simpler than it looks, so make sure you watch until the end. Before we jump in, a huge thank you to my Patreon members and YouTube supporters. You make this content possible. If you'd like to support the channel, the links are right there in the description. Every bit of support truly means a lot. All right, let's get into it.
To make this tutorial easier to follow, I've put together a solar system planet vector pack, and it's now available in my Patreon shop. If you're already a subscriber, it's completely free to download, as always. You'll find the direct link to the full pack in the description below. Now, arranging objects around a central object in Illustrator is surprisingly straightforward. First, select all the objects you want to distribute. Then, from the left toolbar, choose the Objects on Path tool, and simply click on the object you want to arrange everything around. That's it. In my case, I wanted a bit more spacing between the planets and the sun, so I drew a simple outline circle and used that as the path instead. This gives you full control over the distance. You can make it as tight or as wide as you like. And beyond just spacing, this tool also lets you control the alignment of the objects, the distribution, the rotation, all in one place with a single click. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps more than you might think. And if you want to download this pack, plus every icon set, vector pack, project file, and illustration currently in the shop, with new vectors and icons added daily, all completely free, head over to my Patreon and subscribe there as well. The link is in the description. I'll keep creating premium vectors and icons for you. See you in the next one.